Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. It's WARRIBABE here. I hope you guys are having a lovely day. Welcome to all of my returning subscribers, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe before you leave, okay? Welcome to the family. So today I am going to be coloring my hair, as you guys can see. Today I'm going to be coloring my hair, and red is my favorite hair color because I just feel like it makes me pop. Like I just be popping. Anyway, I'm going to be showing you guys how I went from this to this, okay, without bleaching or any of those extra things that's going to damage your hair, right? The product I'm going to be using today is called hair makeup from Curlsmith. Yes, you guys, this is going to be the ruby red color, but they do have a whole bunch of different colors on their website. I was a bit skeptical when I first saw this product or heard about this product because my hair, this 4C hair, it misbehaves sometimes. I wasn't sure if it was gonna work, so I was definitely impressed with the results. I think it came out great. I think it came out nice. If you'd like to just see the process of me turning my hair from this to this, continue watching. Alright you guys, so this is what my hair looks like right after I've washed it. They have a couple of instructions on here, and one of them is to apply on damp hair, damp detangled hair. So I'm going to use this detangler brush, this brush that I got from Amazon, and just make sure I don't have any knots in my hair. I mean, I kind of also did this in the shower already, so I wasn't expecting a lot of knots or anything. My hair is already detangled, basically. So the second thing that they say on here is to apply a leave-in conditioner before actually putting the colors, just so the curls can be hydrated. And I'm going to use this conditioner that I got from Walmart, I believe. It's just called Mega Growth Anti-Breakage Strengthener Deep Conditioner. And I'm going to go ahead and use this to condition my hair. Alrighty, now that I am done applying conditioner for all of the sections, I'm going to go ahead and start putting the, I guess, makeup on my hair. It does say that we do not need gloves, so I should just be able to put this on that way. Okay, let's start. So you can kind of see that my ends are taking the color very well. I think it might be harder for my roots, and I don't want to use too much so I don't run out for the roots, but the fact that the ends are taking it well is a good sign. So I'm going to just continue working through the rest of my head. Alright, you guys, I've cleaned off the excess product that was on my face. I've washed my hand. As you guys can see, I was able to get the products out of my fingernails. I'm gonna let this air dry while I work on my makeup, and then I'll be back. Alright, you guys, makeup is done. The hair is dry for the most part, but the fact that I can still like get spots when I touch it just means that it's not all the way dry. So I'm going to be using my hair dryer with this diffuser head I got from Amazon. This is supposed to help keep your curls whenever you dry your hair. And this is going to be my first time using it, so I'm excited to see what this end product is going to look like. I mean, I really like the way it looks. Like, I really like the way it looks. My cute little fro with the red in it. I love red on my hair. Anyways, I'm going to stop rambling and go ahead and connect this. Alrighty guys, I had to stop drying because I just felt like I was going on and I wasn't sure if I should continue. So I feel like this is fine, and I'm gonna let it air dry. For whatever else is still wet, I'm gonna let that go ahead and air dry. So one of the things that they say on here is that it is transfer resistant, and I think this just basically relates to whether or not it's gonna stain something if it comes in contact with your hair. So to test this out, I am going to go ahead and use this paper towel, and I'm just going to pat my hair and see if, you know, we see swatches of red on here. Alrighty, this was the side I just did. Nothing. Let me do this side. This side was taking a bit longer to dry off, so I wouldn't be surprised if there are some wet spots. Oh wow. Hold on. Oh guys, this is wild. There's nothing on here, so I think it's safe to say this is pretty transfer resistant. You can go ahead and maybe wear it with a white top or white dress, something, if you're that bold. I personally would not. I mean, I understand it's transfer resistant, but I don't want to play with my whites. But I really I am impressed. It came out really nice. I like the way it looks, you guys. And I'm so happy I didn't have to bleach my hair, okay? I'm so happy I didn't have to bleach my hair. A couple of things to note though. I don't know why I thought it was going to be like an easy put on process. Guys, I was covered in red. Like my whole body was red. Like, not red, but like I had red spots all over. And this was after applying it the first round, and then also after drying. And then there were like flakes falling out while it was drying, which again, I didn't know any of this was going to happen. So I was just kind of taken aback by that, but obviously it's nothing that you can't just clean up and fix. I would say next time that I am going to, because I definitely will be buying some more colors from them, next time I'm probably gonna have a big towel and make sure my area is like ready for it, because my area was not ready for it. However, like I said, I am impressed. After washing my hands, I was fine. There was no damage to my nails or anything. Color looks vibrant, color looks nice. It came out great, you guys. Okay guys, so I wanted to go ahead and give an update of what the hair is looking like after day 3. And as you guys can see, like the color is still very much in there. Like it might not be as vibrant as day 1, but it's definitely still in there. I think I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video, this is a temporary color, so keep that in mind. It does wash off with shampoo and conditioner, so it's typically like, oh, I want to get my hair, like I want to change the color of my hair without doing too much damage on my hair. And I definitely I commend them, because this is a great idea, and the fact that it works very nicely is great. However, I do feel like there are some, you know, things to note and things to be aware of when deciding to go ahead and use this product. So number 1 is the fact that I still feel, maybe it's because of my hair texture, but I do still get like the little, maybe like sprinkles of the hair dye, like if I pat my hair or like I touch my hair, or like I get the sprinkles of the hair dye, which it doesn't bother me too much. However, if I was wearing something white or something like you could see it on, that would be a problem. Okay, so you're gonna have to be careful with what you wear when you have this on. The second issue is the fact that I said earlier, it is transfer resistant, and you know, after your hair dries, when it comes to dyeing your hair, well, you can run your hands through your hair and you'll be fine. However, this is makeup, this is hair makeup, so I can still run my hands through my hair and I still have like little pieces on my fingernails, which it doesn't bother me too much because I understand this is hair makeup, this is a product. I understand what comes with using this product, but you know, that's just something for you to know. Let me know what you guys think. Are you loving this hair makeup? Like, will you be purchasing some from Curlsmith? Make sure to check them out. They have a whole bunch of different colors for your needs. So go ahead and let me know what you guys think. If you guys do end up getting it, let me know how you like it. Let me know if you have any questions or anything like that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time on The Worried Babe.